Hello, welcome back to my channel. So guys, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Okay, just hit the button. All right, now I want to address Nigerian women. I have a video for Nigerian men, but that will be for another day. Now I see a lot of posts on Facebook, on Instagram about what a Nigerian man is doing to a Nigerian woman, and some amazing comments in the comment section. Lots of advices flowing left and right, left and right, left and right. People think they know it all. Oh, leave him. Oh, pray for him. Oh, stay there. Where are you running to? Are you not the one that wanted to get married? Stay there. You see? So I want to talk about this. Nigerian women, this is for you. You don't need to die in that marriage. You don't need to die in that marriage. Also, you don't need to give people marriage advice if you're not sure of what you're talking about. If you don't have a good thing to talk about or a good thing to say, move along. Read the post and move. Okay? You don't need to insult a fellow woman. You don't know what she's going through in her marriage. You don't know. So don't think that you know it all. You're probably single, giving advice to a married woman. Or maybe you're married, but you left the marriage and you're still giving advice. Now, for example, I saw a post, a woman said her husband is cheating on her, he's always bringing women into the marriage, bringing women into the house, sleeping with women, even in front of her. He doesn't care. Another post said the man keeps beating her every time. She will shout at him when he does something wrong. He will hit her. Sometimes, even when she doesn't shout, he finds a reason to hit her. Okay. Another one says her man is stingy. He doesn't bring out money for the kids' school fees. He doesn't do anything. He just works and saves his money. And then she has to use her own money to foot the bills. Pay the kids' school fees, pay the house rent, pay the utility bills. Now, what do you tell these people? Nigerian women. You're telling these people to pray. God will do it. The righteous taketh it by force. Get into the prayer room and pray. My sister, I promise you, your husband will change. You will see a change coming. My sister, please, bear it. It's how men are these days. Before you can find a man who doesn't cheat, it's going to be hard. It's your fault. You're the one who was shouting. So why won't he beat you? He has to beat you to correct you. Love him and know that if he beats you, it's because he loves you too. And he wants you to behave. Really? Really? Like, really? So if a man hits me, well, I should keep praying for him and love him because he loves me. Yeah? That's why I'm his child, yeah? So he beats me to correct me. So can I beat him too to correct him? I'm just asking, I'm just asking, since we know other people's lives better than ours. We can't face our problems. We leave it to face other people's problems. Yeah? Why not? You might say, well, she posted it in public, which means she wanted us to react and give her comments and, write comments giving her advice. Yeah, I get it. Definitely, that's what it is. If you put your business out there, you give people the right to comment. But think before you write. It makes me shed tears when I see the kind of comments coming out from Nigerian women. I'm like, yo, is this how you think? Is this really what Nigeria is? We said the youths are the future, but I can't see it because the youths are writing nonsense on Facebook. If a fellow woman comes to you to tell you a problem, you can't help it. You can't help. All you can do is advise her to pray. She asks you for money, you advise her to pray that God will provide. She says she wants to commit suicide. You tell her, you want to commit suicide though. Why would she commit suicide? Is she mad? That's not it. So if you don't know what advice to give, go on Google and check out advices, yeah? Think before you write or comment. Now, over here in my phone, I've written some things. Social services, maybe in Nigeria, it doesn't really work as it should. But if a man doesn't pay his school fees and all that, then take him to court or contact social services. And, they will help out. If they don't help out, which I don't think would happen, but I think they would if you have money, because most times they want money first. But if you can't do it, ask a friend, talk to your close friends. They can advise you, they can help you. And you, Nigerian woman that's commenting, call this person, give them money if you can, so they can solve their issue, so they can go to court and sort it out. 2, I know of Facebook groups where I know of a barrister, I think, just a lawyer anyway, who has a Facebook group with lots of people. You pay about 6,000 naira to become a member, and when you pay this money, if you ever have a problem, they will come and sort you out. Many cases he has sorted out and things ended up fine. Different types of domestic issues. So 6,000 naira is not too much for you to pay to become a member, and also to cover some legal fees. That's what I think. I think they are called DPA, something advocate, but DPA in Google, you will find this group, and they help a lot of Nigerian women and men likewise. Okay, then that's what I have here. I have social services, go to the court, Facebook groups for your close friends. If you know some close friends that you trust, take your issues to them. Now, not friends that will make your matter worse, but friends that can give you good advice.
That match.
Oh, excuse me. But friends that can give you the correct advice, yeah? Because at the end of the day, we need to help each other, women. It's so sad. Even this case about the rape going on in Nigeria at this point, the comments I've seen, even from women, the comments I've seen, that's for another day. But I'll end the video here. My rant is over. Please, let's take notes. Let's take caution. Let's take caution, Nigerian women. Go to developed countries, group chats and Facebook, websites. You will see comments. You will see wonderful comments that enrich people, advice flowing forth. But come to ours and it's just heartbreaking. Everyone is trying to be a clown. Everyone is trying to be funny by typing nonsense so that others will laugh. But it doesn't even work out that way. We need to start helping each other grow. Okay? We need to. That's the end of my talk for today. That's all I want to say. Yeah? So please, let's start doing better as women. Let's start doing better. Please do subscribe. Of course, help me. I'm a woman. Hopefully you're a woman too. If you're a man, still help me by subscribing and sharing my video. Thank you. Bye.